Hey guys, Carl, MarineMax, Panama City Beach. Going to show you a 2026 Grady-White 216 Fisherman, new to our lot and available. Starting in the aft of the boat, you are powered by a Yamaha 300. That is max horsepower for this boat. Plenty of horsepower for this boat to get you where you want to go. You got stool seating in the rear, live well under your co-pilot's chair here. This boat is already outfitted with Garmin electronics, so you have your chart plotter, you have your transducer, and everything's ready to go. So when you're ready to rock, the boat's ready to rock. Moving forward, you've got seating forward of the helm. You've got your filler cushion / casting platform storage, both port and starboard. And then this boat is also outfitted with a bow shade should you want to cover the bow if you want to make it a pleasure day. Great boat for trailering, very easy for loading, unloading at the boat ramp. Come see it here at MarineMax Panama City Beach. My name's Carl. I would love to show it to you.